Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Flavors Abroad. So today we are here at Heritance Ara Maldives and I am going to give you a quick tour of this super beautiful and luxurious overwater villa with infinity pool. I am going to enter this villa now. So here we are. एंटर करते ही यहाँ पे दे हैव गिवन दिस स्मॉल सेपरेट सेक्शन to keep our footwears and everything, and now we enter into the main property. But before that, we यहाँ पे corner में they have given this wardrobe section with a few drawers as well to keep our stuff. Now this is their living room with nice sofa and study table. So the best and the amazing part of this property is this view. So you can enjoy this ocean water view while sitting onto this sofa and just look at this clear blue water. And the best part is आपको इसको enjoy करने के लिए कहीं नहीं जाना, आप यहाँ सोफे पे बैठ के ये enjoy कर सकते हो. Now they have given this big size TV with Marshall definitely, and now this is their bathing area. So they have given a nice bathtub. This is the pot area. This is their shower area. Again a bathtub, and look at the view from here guys. Look at this beautiful view from the bathroom. And now यहाँ पे एक अलग से section है. I'm going to show you what it is. So basically they have given this pantry section with few basic and complimentary stuff like toaster, coffee machine, water bottles, few snacks, and for the wine lovers, so look at this. They have given wide variety of wine, and हमने all inclusive package लिया था तो ये उसमें included था. So I'm not sure about other packages. And few liquor bottles, and यहाँ पे they have their refrigerator जिसमें they have kept complimentary cold drink, juices, milk and chocolate. So यहाँ से भी आप देखोगे तो एक गेट और है. अगर हम ये गेट ओपन करेंगे तो ये वही एरिया है जहाँ से हम आए थे. सो बेसिकली दिस विला हैज़ 2 doors, one from the pantry and one जहाँ से हमने मेन एंट्रेंस लिया था. एंड नाउ आई विल टेक यू ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट और नेक्स्ट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस विला विच इज़ अपस्टेयर. सो देयर बेडरूम इज़ अपस्टेयर. सो इन्होंने प्रिवेसी का पूरा ध्यान रखा है. नीचे दे हैव गिवन सेपरेट लिविंग एरिया एंड बेडरूम के लिए आप ऊपर जाओ. एंड नाउ आई विल ओपन द डोर ऑफ द बेडरूम. सो लुक एट दिस द बेडरूम वाइब. एंड यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने इस कॉर्नर में नाइस बिग टीवी विद अगेन मार्शल. एंड दिस इज़ द बेड, नाइस क्लीन बिग बेड. एंड यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट दिया है. फ्यू ड्रॉर्स ओवर हेयर. यहाँ पे भी इन्होंने बाथरूम दिया है. सो दिस इज़ द वार्डरोब. हेलो. एंड दिस इज़ द पॉट एरिया, शावर एरिया, बेसिन एरिया. द बेस्ट पार्ट and the most beautiful part, look at the view from here. I'll show you. Look at this view guys, look at this view. Just imagine आप सुबह उठे हो, आपने उठ के कर्टन हटाया है and this is the view from your room or balcony. Just see the calmness, beauty, blue water. Now I'll take you downstairs to show you another part of this room, and another part, or you can say the last part of this room. So let's go from here. Look at the ceiling height and everything. So इन्होंने अच्छी खासी space में ये villa बनाए हैं, and they have multiple category villa. So this is one of the category which is over water with infinity pool. They have villa without infinity pool as well. Now look at the view guys. I'll open this curtain and I'll open the door. थोड़ा सा टाइट है तो थोड़ा एफर्ट लगा. Now look at this. They have given sitting arrangements over here as well. So, and a nice infinity pool, and you can enjoy the view. And this is the night view guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.